Devin 2.2 just dropped and it is wild. This is not another chatbot. This is not another code helper. This is a full AI software engineer that works on its own. You give it a task, it writes the code, it runs the code, it tests the code, it finds the bugs, it fixes the bugs by itself. No developer needed, no back and forth, no waiting, just results. And the crazy part, you can try it for free right now. Today, I'm going to break down exactly what Devin 2.2 can do, why it matters, and how you can start using it in your business today. Stay with me because this one is going to change how you think about building things online. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let us know what you think of Devin 2.2. Let's start from the top. What is Devin? Devin is an autonomous AI software engineer. That word autonomous is the key word here. Most AI tools help you write code. You type something, it gives you a suggestion, you copy it, you paste it, you figure out if it works. That's an assistant. Devin is different. Devin doesn't assist, it acts. You give it a goal, and it figures out every step needed to hit that goal on its own. It has its own workspace, a shell, a code editor, and a browser. It uses all three just like a real developer would. It reads your task, it plans the work, it writes the code, it runs it, it checks the output, and if something goes wrong, it digs in and fixes it. The whole thing happens without you having to touch it. You can connect it to your existing tools too. Jira, Linear, Slack. You drop a task in and Devin picks it up. It can even create pull requests and submit them for review when it's done. This is not a toy. This is a fully functioning autonomous agent that works the way a real engineer would. Version 2.2 just landed and it brings some seriously big upgrades. Let me walk you through what's new. The first thing is speed. Devin is now 3 times faster at starting sessions. That might sound small, but when you're running multiple tasks across your business, speed compounds, you get results faster, you move faster, that matters. The second thing is the interface. They rebuilt it from the ground up. It's cleaner, smoother, and way easier to follow along with. Everything flows better from the moment you start a task to the moment you review the result. The third thing is where it gets really interesting, computer use. Devin can now actually control a desktop application like a human would. It clicks buttons, it navigates menus, it interacts with the real UI of an app running on Linux. It watches what happens, and then it records the entire session as a video so you can watch everything it did like a replay. This is real quality assurance automation, not simulated, not scripted. Devin actually uses the app the same way a human tester would. The fourth thing is self-verify and autofix. This is the one that blew me away. Devin writes code, then it tests its own code. If something breaks, it doesn't stop and ask you what to do. It figures out what went wrong and it fixes it automatically. Write, test, verify, fix. That is a fully closed loop. No human in the middle, no hand holding required, just a clean finished result at the end. And on top of all that, there are hundreds of smaller improvements across the whole product, better Slack and Linear integrations, smarter PR conflict detection, faster filtering tools, more reliable UI across the board. Pause here, because if you're watching this and thinking, I want to actually use AI like this to build and grow my business, then you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where we go deep on exactly how to use tools like Devin in your business, real automations, real workflows, real results. We show you how to use AI to save time, move faster, and deliver better outcomes for your clients and customers. If you want to be the kind of person who actually uses AI instead of just learning about it, the AI Profit Boardroom is where that happens. Link is in the description. Go check it out. Now back to Devin. Let me make this concrete. Let me show you how I would use Devin 2.2 right now for something real. Say I want a new landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. I want it to convert. I want it to explain what the community is, why AI automation matters, and why someone should join today. I don't want to pay a developer. I don't want to wait 2 weeks. I just go to Devin and I type something like this. Build a high converting landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. This is a community for entrepreneurs who want to automate and grow their business using AI. Include a clear headline, a breakdown of the key benefits of joining, a section explaining what members get access to, and a strong call to action at the bottom. Make it clean, fast loading, and mobile friendly. That's it. That's the whole prompt. Devin takes that, it plans the page structure, it writes the HTML, CSS, and any JavaScript needed, it spins up a browser and loads the page, it checks that everything displays correctly on different screen sizes. If something doesn't look right, it fixes it. When it's done, it hands me a finished working landing page that I can review and deploy. I wrote zero code. I didn't hire anyone. I didn't open a single tutorial. I just described what I wanted in plain English and Devin built it. Now scale that thinking. New opt-in form for the AI Profit Boardroom. Devin builds it. A welcome email automation that triggers when someone joins. Devin writes and tests the integration. A bug on the checkout page that someone reported. Devin finds it and fixes it. A faster loading version of the homepage. Devin audits the code and optimizes it. Every single one of those tasks used to mean hiring someone or spending hours doing it yourself. Now it means typing a sentence and letting Devin handle it. The gap between people who use them and people who don't is growing every single day. Before AI, everyone was on a roughly similar playing field when it came to building things. You either had budget to hire developers or you didn't. You either had technical skills or you didn't. Resources were the limiting factor. That's changing fast. Right now, the people winning online are the ones who figured out how to use AI to move faster, build more, and do it without a massive team. Devin is one of the clearest examples of that shift. A single person with no coding background can now ship things that used to require an entire engineering team. That's not hype. That's just what's happening. And the version 2.2 update makes it better, faster, and more capable than it's ever been. The computer use feature alone is the kind of thing that would have seemed impossible 2 years ago. An AI that runs your app, clicks through it like a human, finds the bugs and fixes them, then hands you a video of the whole process. That's real. That's available today. And it's free to try. Getting started is easy. Go to devin.ai, sign up and get access to the free tier. Once you're inside, you'll see the workspace. You've got the chat interface on one side and the live workspace on the other, where you can watch Devin work in real time. Pick one real task from your business, something small to start, a bug you've been ignoring, a page you've been meaning to improve, a simple integration you haven't had time to build. Type it out in plain English like you'd explain it to a person. Hit go and watch what happens. You don't need coding knowledge. You don't need to understand what's happening under the hood. You just need to describe the outcome you want clearly. The clearer your description, the better the result. That's the whole skill set here. All right, 2 things before you go. First, if you want to go deeper on using AI to grow your business, join the AI Profit Boardroom.